Okay, so you have a product ID that is associated with more than one product name. This is problematic because if you're trying to look at a product ID's performance or a product name's performance, this usually happens because you've changed the name or the ID of a product along the shopping behavior cycle as you report it to Google Analytics. So let me give you an example. We sell t-shirts. They come in green colors and in the various different sizes. When somebody loads the product detail page, we know that the item ID in our product catalog is something like ABC. When they select the size green or size large and color green, that becomes ABC-L-G, large and green or something. If we supply the new ID or the customized or variant ID or the configured IDs, the Magento terminology, if we supply that ID at add to cart time, but at view time we supply the simple or the unconfigured ID, then when we go to look at conversion rates across the funnel, then we see scenarios where we have clicks in one row for one ID, views of item in one row, and then adds to cart in another. So when we want to do what's the calculation of that rate, then we don't have it. Sometimes this is a problem that happens, and sometimes happens when the name stays consistent across the different stages, but the underlying ID doesn't stay consistent across the individual stages. So fixing this means referring to the right IDs at the right times and using the product ID, product name, and then product variant fields appropriately. Now, some of this can get a little tricky to debug and to troubleshoot, particularly if the engineering team knows what those values are, but doesn't know how to operate the web analytics system very well to determine whether they've done this accurately or done it accurately across the whole catalog. The best way to solve this stuff is to get analytics engineer who knows that stuff, knows analytics and how to troubleshoot it, knows tag manager and how to troubleshoot it, knows data layer, how to troubleshoot it, with engineer who knows product catalog, how to surface the data, get those people talking in real time to get the resolution in place. If you need help with that, if that's something that you'd like assistance with, we have a services team that loves to do this. Don't hesitate to reach out.